Let's have a look at an overview of cold environments. Cold environments, such as tundra and polar, have the following general characteristics. Climate. Temperatures in cold environments are very low. Polar regions in winter are often below -40 degrees C and can reach -90 degrees C. Tundra regions have maximum temperature of just 10 degrees C and a minimum of -50 degrees C. Levels of rainfall are low. There is less than 100 millimetres per year in polar regions and less than 30 millimetres in tundra regions. There are also clear seasons. In polar regions, there is no soil exposed because the land is covered by ice sheets. In tundra regions, the soil is thin, acidic, light and fertile. Permafrost, a layer of permanently frozen ground, is usually found beneath the soil. This layer traps lots of greenhouse gases. Plants. Plant life is very rare in polar regions, and those that do survive don't grow very tall. Grass is the most common plant life, with mosses and lichens also found in slightly warmer places. In warm sheltered areas, some small tree can be found. People. Very few people live in polar regions. Those that do inhabit these hostile environments include a handful of indigenous people and scientists. Many more people live in tundra regions, including indigenous people and oil and gas workers. Animals. Compared with other ecosystems, the diversity of animals found in cold environments is low. Polar animals include polar bears, penguins, whales, seals and walruses. Tundra animals include Arctic hares, wolves, reindeer and lemmings. What are the two types of cold environment? The answer is polar and tundra. Let's have a quick recap of the climatic conditions in cold environments. What is the maximum temperature in tundra areas? Is it 20 or is it 10 degrees C? The maximum is a very low 10 degrees C. That's the maximum tundra environments will reach. Do polar areas or tundra areas receive more rainfall? Tundra areas do. Are winter temperatures in tundra areas usually below 40 degrees C, or are winter temperatures in polar areas usually below 40 degrees C? The answer is usually the winter temperatures in polar areas are usually below 40 degrees C. 40 degrees C, excuse me. There are also clearly defined seasons. So, just to recap, maximum temperature in tundra areas is 10 degrees C. Tundra areas receive more rainfall than polar areas. Winter temperatures in polar areas are usually below -40 degrees Celsius, and there are clearly defined seasons. So, a quick look at fragility and interdependence of cold environments. Cold environments are interdependent. This means that all different parts depend on one another, and so a change in a particular part of the ecosystem will have knock-on effects for all the other parts. Additionally, they are also highly fragile. Because of the cold weather, plants grow and decompose slowly. This means that the level of nutrients in the soil stays fairly low. The low soil fertility further reduces the speed at which plants grow. Plants and permafrost. In summer, there is greater plant cover in tundra regions. These plants absorb the sun's heat energy. This means that the permafrost doesn't thaw. This is important for plants because the permafrost is a crucial source of water for them. Plants and animals. Some herbivores rely on certain plants to survive. These animals have to migrate where these plants can grow. Animals that are higher up the food chain have to follow the herbivores. Plants, soil and animals. Soil provides plants with nutrients. Plants provide animals with nutrients. Animals help plant reproduction by spreading seeds in their dung. In summer, there is greater plant cover in tundra regions. How does this affect the permafrost? Does it stop permafrost from thawing, stop it from boiling, stop it from evaporating, or stop it from freezing? The correct answer is it stops the permafrost from thawing, which is important because permafrost is a key source of what for the plants? A key source of water. Animals are found in polar and tundra regions. So Arctic hares, wolves, reindeer and lemmings. Are they found in polar or in tundra? They're found in tundra because it's very slightly warmer. Polar bears, penguins, whales, seals and walrus are found in polar regions. In summer, there is greater cover of what in polar regions, in tundra regions? Not just greater plant cover.